Hello friends, this is Caroline of Caroline's Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel if you like what you see. I make planner related content on this channel, primarily in a coil monthly and weekly layout planner, and primarily memory planning, but also planning for my work week occasionally. I also do content like hauls, organization videos, things like that. So if that type of content piques your interest, please consider liking my videos and subscribing to this channel. Today's video is a plan with me for the week that includes New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. It was a very eventful week in our family for a few different reasons. This was the second week that I had off from work. If you're new here, I am a preschool teacher, and I've been working online since we transitioned to virtual learning in March. And we've had the past 2 weeks off for our winter break to encompass both Christmas, New Year's, things like that. So this is the second break week for me. So we were getting a lot of things done around the house, but also relaxing. My husband got a few days off between Christmas and New Year's this week, so we got to spend some time together and get some things done around the house, which was nice. This week was also the week that we finally were able to get our new cat, George Bailey, a vet visit. We've had him for about a month and a half now. He is a 10-year-old little kitty, and we have been trying to get him to the vet for a while now. He really hates the carrier, so I after a couple of failed attempts of getting him into our carrier and to the vet physically, I decided to reach out to a mobile veterinary service. So our vet that we are going forward with now drives a mobile van kind of thing to our house, and we'll see him and do all of his vaccinations and exams and everything in this sort of van thing, which is exciting. And there's just been a lot of anxiety in our house surrounding the visit for him and for us, my husband and I. So having that behind us was a huge relief, and we're just moving forward with his care and helping him kind of settle from the visit. He's an anxious little guy. Our George Bailey, our kitty, is an anxious little guy, so we're hopefully going to be able to get him started on an anti-anxiety medication soon. So hopefully that will help things out for him and by extension for us going forward. If you have any questions about stickers, I know I skipped over the first few days talking in detail about the stickers. Leave a comment below with any questions. Thursday was payday for me. I didn't work, but I did get paid. Just because it was the appropriate time of the month to get paid. I also edited my December monthly this day, and Thursday was the day of our vet appointment, New Year's Eve. The evening of New Year's Eve, our vet came to our home and visited George Bailey for his appointment. We talked a lot about buying a treadmill for our home this day, so I marked that with a treadmill sticker from White Deer Stationery, and the spending script is from the Coffee Monsters Co. On the first of the month, we usually pay our mortgage, so I marked that with a bill due, and the mortgage payment script is from Station Stickers. The little exclamation point icon is from the kit. I washed our sheets this day. The icon is from Mixie Cut Stuff on Etsy. I do have a coupon code for their shop. You can save 15% on your order through Etsy if you use the code Caroline15. The shop link will be in the description. I also ran our dishwasher this day. That script is from Scribble Prints Co. and the icon is from Harriet Wright Designs. The wash sheet script above that is also from Harriet Wright Designs. On Friday, I uploaded my December monthly highlights. That icon is from the Coffee Monsters Co. and the upload script is from Nettie Designs. Yeah, and then we're just going through and putting in the remaining functional items and boxes for the rest of the week. As far as glitter headers go, I did use the glitter header sampler that came with the kit. The glitter overlays are from Harriet Wright Designs, I believe, as is the bottom washi glitter overlay. The date numbers are black ones from the Coffee Monsters Co. The star print full box overlays are from Sadie's Stickers. And I also included some full box overlays from other shops as well. As I mentioned before, any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. The pen that I'm using for this last little section is the Pilot G2 in 0.5. No, I'm sorry, it's not. It's the Papermate Ink Joy in 0.5. The pen that I normally use is the Pilot G2 in 0.38. On the bottom of Friday, I'm marking just some family time. That With Husband script is a custom from My Perfect Plan on Etsy. The couple hugging is from Pumpkin Paper Co. And the family time script, as well as the space time script there, are from Scribble Prints Co. The movie night scripts are from Virgo and Paper. That chocolate frog is a piece of deco from the kit. I baked cookies on Saturday. That script is from Murdoch Talks. The characters marking movie nights on Saturday and Sunday are from One Ton and a Million. That cat to mark prescription pickup is from Fox and Pip. The pickup medication script is from Station Stickers. On Sunday, I marked coffee with a script from Murdoch Talks, and that coffee wonton is from One Ton and a Million. Both the edit and upload scripts on Sunday are from Letters to Apollo, and the grocery delivery script on Sunday is from Kinsey's Creations. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'd love to have you back on my channel soon. Peace, love, and happy planning, everyone. Bye-bye.